The most expensive hidden waste, quietly eroding factory profitability. The most expensive hidden waste, quietly eroding factory profitability. Most organizations focus on visible wastes such as overproduction, defects, inventory, and waiting time. However, some of the most costly losses are often hidden beneath daily operations and therefore remain unmeasured and unmanaged. Poor communication, delayed decision-making, knowledge loss, ineffective meetings, skill mismatches, excessive reporting, and weak process discipline can silently reduce productivity, increase costs, and erode profitability. What makes these hidden wastes particularly dangerous is that they become accepted as normal ways of working. While traditional lean principles identify major categories of waste, the reality is that the number of hidden wastes is not fixed. Every factory, office, and organization develops its own unique inefficiencies over time. Identifying and eliminating these invisible losses can unlock significant improvements in operational excellence, employee engagement, customer satisfaction, and business performance. The biggest waste is often not what you see on the shop floor, it is what you have stopped noticing. Watch the complete video on YouTube channel, Wonders of Wisdom at Wonders Wisdom. Stay connected. Thank you. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to help spread industrial knowledge and actionable insights, empowering professionals, strengthening industries, and building a more competitive and prosperous nation.